Hey everyone, welcome to Birds of a Feather. Today we're upcycling this old metal pulley that's seen better days. It's full of rust and we're going to get it into this plastic container and show you a product that works really well for de-rusting any metal object.
Color outside the lines.
Got an old metal pulley here that has rusted. It's pretty dark in here, so you probably can't see how rusty it is, but we're going to soak this and we're going to use EvapoRust. I'm going to put it into the sink in this container here, and then we'll just cover it up. We've just got a piece of cardboard and some plastic. So we're just going to pour it right in.
And this is rare because it's a green rust. We have no idea why. It's rusted green.
So how much is that, 4 liters?
This is almost a gallon, yeah, 4 liters. And we do have more, or we could do one side and then flip it over and do the other side later.
Okay, so I think that's what we'll do.
Instead of using more liquid up, it's covered about 2/3. We're going to cover it, and this can stay in there anywhere from a few hours to a day or more. So we'll probably leave it a full 24 hours, check it, and then flip it over.
Okay, that's it for now. We'll come back and check on it. Now we're ready to flip the piece, and you can clearly see where it's been submerged. So we're just about to turn it around, and this is the side that was poking out on top that hasn't had the solution on it. So we're going to turn it around, and as you can see, it's much darker on that side, but my husband's hands are much darker than that is.
We'll leave it another 24 hours on this side and
yeah. Come back in another 24 hours. Turn. Once the rust is gone, give it a thorough rinse. EvapoRust is just amazing at removing rust without any sanding or scrubbing required. It's just that easy. We're just patting it dry, and we're going to let it dry thoroughly, and this is personal preference, but my husband is also going to clear coat it. Before you go, if you love air plants, you're going to want to see this project too. Be sure to click the card you see above. For more upcycle ideas, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell for upcoming projects.